Hey my gators, so today I want to show you how I refill my laundry booster and my fabric softener. What do you use? Talk to me in the comments, because it's going to surprise you. Not surprise you, but if you did not know, for those who did not know, these things are exactly what I just said. But let me show you what I'm using. So let's go refill my laundry booster and my fabric softener. Let's get into it. So I'm currently in the laundry room, and if you've been rocking with me for a long time, you know that when I used to be in love with the Starbucks caramel macchiato creamer, I repurposed the actual bottles, and this is what they look like. Okay, so with that being said, it is time to refill my fabric softener and my laundry booster. Okay, let's get into it. All right, so for the booster, here we go. We have our Arm & Hammer pure baking soda. I usually get the, I think it's 5 or 8 pound bag from Sam's, but they didn't have it. So this, buying 2 boxes of this was a little bit more cheaper and much more comparable in price. So yes, did you ever pay attention to that? This is for cleaning, guys. This is for cleaning. I don't use this for in my mouth. A lot of people use baking soda in their mouth, but if it is aluminum free, that's the only way I would suggest it in the mouth. But this is my booster, and this is my fabric softener. I am doing laundry, so that's the loud washing machine. So yeah, that's my booster and my fabric softener. So let's get these containers filled up. Reuse your containers. Why throw them away when you can use them? They're cute. I pop the top, put it in the machine, close it, and put it back where it goes. So let's refill them. Okay, so you have my softener, which is nothing but white vinegar, and you have my laundry booster, which is nothing but baking soda. Okay, but what about those fabric softener sheets? Boom. I did a video on these, oh my gosh, 2016, 15-ish. That's how old these are. I probably need to change them, but why not? They're wool, and the purpose of them to get the wetness out of your clothes. So these are my fabric softener sheets. Fabric softener sheets. Fabric softener. I mean, the static, you know, to get the static out of your clothes and get any lint. That's what I use these for. And these also help dry your clothes much faster. So there's my fabric softener and my booster, and it sits right here on the counter. My gators, just another way to become natural, save your coins. That lasts so much longer. And I also go in depth about the washing soap, the washing laundry soap that I use. So stay tuned for a video of that. This will be posted on my YouTube and also on TikTok. So talk to me in the comments. I'll talk back later, y'all.